Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a self-aware AI just using Notepad, so let's get into this. First thing you want to do is just create a new text document. Let's just give it a name, just call it ai.txt. Then you're just going to want to type in echo and then in quotation marks write, I am self-aware. Now what this will do is this will make your AI self-aware. And just save that. Okay, and then rename the ai.txt to ai.bat, so you're changing the file extension. Click yes. Now you're just gonna test it out by running it. And as you can see, it opens, this is called Cortana. This is the AI that you just made, and it should work. So if I say hello to it, Cortana, hello. See, it works. And that's it done.